guys, so cool.
Yeah, hi everyone.
We found an egg and
We
there's
found
5.
maybe I don't know what egg this is. Sophia, what?
I think it's a baby duck egg.
Maybe I don't know what's egg. I don't know. Maybe turtle. Some other bird.
And then you put one more egg so it sticks.
Yeah. So there are how many of them, Sophia?
I see 5.
5 of them. Okay. Okay. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, Sophia.
And I think I know what is it.
What is that?
I think it's a baby duck egg.
No, the baby duck is. The duck egg is bigger than this one. So we're not sure. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I think I found water.
What? Be careful when you walk, Sophia, because you don't want to.
Something.
You want to. Don't want. Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay.
But you remember I found one and I crossed it.
Yes. Don't touch anything.
Okay, back. Better.
Okay. So this is some little small islands at the Herman Park,
Ooh, I found
and it's
some
close to the zoo.
turtle egg. Wait, where's the turtle again? Again? Where?
Try it. No. Okay. Over here.
There?
Yeah. There might be another nesting.
I think that's another egg. Should we check it?
No. Okay. Let's come here. Come here. It's too dark already.
Why?
Yeah, we might go home.
Please no.
So this is a very nice place. Oh, like a little islands, and I think when it's very hot, when you come here, it's very. It can cool you down. The other thing here is a lot of birds, wildlife.
Wait, is that egg?
Where? I don't think so, Sophia.
Is that egg?
What?
Wait, I think there's egg somewhere else.
Maybe some I think. Hey, do not step over there, Sophia. I think maybe the turtles lay egg around this area.
Here? Where? I'm so excited to check it. Look at this beautiful feather.
Yeah. Okay.
And whose feather is this?
I think duck.
Oh, yeah, mine. Why do you like feather? Yeah, let me teach you. You don't have to go down like that.
You can go down like that. Let's come back. Let's come back. Come out.
I'm back. Here, open it up.
It's like a little swarm here.
I'm back in it.
Okay, we come here. We come here. Okay. I think it's a good place too because you don't encounter people. It's very.
I want to show you a cool rock. Look at my rock. It's easy.
Hey, Solene, faster.
And look, this is a crystal rock.
Okay.
think.
Just a little.
And I pick up all of these in this mass.
Okay.
I think we don't need this mass anymore.
Solene.
It's okay, we make an accident. We have a lot at home, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll take one for you out. Hey, what's inside? Maybe duck egg or something? Do any duck egg? Wait, I think that one is duck egg.
No, it's not that egg, Sophia.
What was that?
Okay.
Is it a purple egg?
Yeah. Let's get out. Let's get out from here. Tomorrow we come back, okay? Maybe tomorrow.
What you said?
Maybe tomorrow we come back.
I want to come out earlier.
Okay, thank you for watching. That's it.
Why is this a little bit?
Yes, just a little bit.
But I wanted to ask you something.
What?
So I have something to tell you, and so today I have a cool thing to do today. So I have to be happy to again. What's that? Let me see it.
Hit it. You not hit like that, Sophia. You kill it. You have to kill it.
Let me see it.
Yeah, hit it. Yeah. Yeah, another one.
Where? I don't see. Where? I don't see it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you get out.
Oh, is it on menu?
Yeah, it buy you too. Like, get out. It's too dark. That's why it buy everyone. Ah. Okay, Solene. We had to go back here.
I also found one more crystal rock to collect. Do you want to see where to find crystal rock? Do you want to find where crystal rock?
Okay, we go back here.
There's so much crystal rock everywhere.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is Herman Park again. If you have time, you can just it's close to the Japanese garden.
Like
And this is the other side. Or forest or tree that you can just get in that areas and have some fun.